Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. In this video I'm going to tell you everything about Mi A2 or Mi 6X. So yeah, with that said, let's begin. But before that guys, I want you guys to do something for me. If you're watching this right now and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, hit that red subscribe button down below, and after subscribing this channel, hit that bell icon, that small bell icon, so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one or many more awesome videos like this one. If you like my content, then you first of all watch this whole video. Then if you like this video, hit that like button at the end. Yeah, with that said, let's begin. So first of all, let me tell you about Mi 6X. So let's start with the design guys. So talking about the design guys, this phone is also has the same kind of design as the Redmi Note 5 Pro had. So with the same camera placement and the same kind of design, except that plastic portion on the top and the bottom that Redmi Note 5 Pro had, they have removed it and they have given us the full metal body design with the antenna lines as previous iPhones had. Moving to the front, it has the 5.99 inches of 1080p display with the 18:9 aspect ratio. So basically it has the 401 or 403 ppi, which is a very good thing, and the display is quite good. As you might already know about the Redmi Note 5 Pro has the same kind of display, same resolution, same size and same everything. So it has the same display as Redmi Note 5 Pro had. One more thing is also there, they have given the Gorilla Glass 3, which is a very good thing for the protection of the screen. So yeah, so guys, let's move to the next thing. The next thing will be the internals. So guys, talking about the CPU, it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chip. Yes, you heard me right. It has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chips, which is a very good. It is like a super high-end model of 600 series processors. So yeah, it has a Snapdragon 660 chip, which is a very good chip and very powerful chip. And it is also built on 14nm technology, so it will be power efficient too. So when you combine powerful with power efficiency, so you will get great battery life as well as a great performance. So I think this phone will perform really good with that 660 chip, and that 660 is octa-core chip with cryo architecture. Yes, so it will definitely perform really good as compared to previous 625 that Mi A1 had. And moving to the GPU guys, it has the Adreno 512 GPU, which is a very nice GPU as compared to previous year. Previous year in Mi A1 it has a 506 GPU, so they have increased the performance of that 512 GPU. I guess you can play some really high-end games in this phone, so I think it will be a very good gaming companion if you buy this phone. So yeah, with that said, let's move to other things. Talking about the cameras, it will have like really good cameras on paper. Let me first tell you about the cameras. It will have dual rear camera, one of which is 12 megapixel with the aperture of f1.8 and with the 1.25 micron pixel size. Yeah, and moving to the secondary camera will be the 20 megapixel with the aperture of 1.8. yes. Moving to the front facing camera guys, it has the same front facing camera as the rear facing camera. It has the same 20 megapixel camera with the aperture of f1.8 with the same 1 micron pixel size. So yeah, these are some cameras, and they have like talk about a lot in the event about the cameras. It will have AI beauty and lot of other things. So in terms of camera, huge thumbs up from my side, and I think this will gonna kill all the camera markets in the India. Moving to the battery guys, it will gonna have 3010 mAh battery. Yeah, it is not upgraded as compared to last year. Last year they have given us 3000 mAh battery, and even this year they have given us 3000 mAh battery. I was thinking that if they can give us that 4000 or 3500 mAh battery, it is a very nice thing, but they have given us 3000 mAh battery. It is also a good thing, but when you put it in a 1080p display, I think the battery life will be around 1 day, so it's not a good thing. So guys, talking about the battery, it will have 3000 mAh battery as I have already told you, but it will have the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, which is a very nice thing. It can charge your smartphone in 30 minutes to 50%, which is a very good thing, I would say that. And it will also have the USB Type-C port, which is a very nice thing. Moving to the variants guys, it will have 3 variants, but before that let me tell you one thing, one very sad thing, that they have removed the headphone jack. Yes, you heard me right. They have removed the 3.5mm headphone jack from the smartphone, which is a very bad thing, guys. I really don't like that strap, guys. It is a very bad thing. So after they removing the 3.5mm headphone jack, and they will give us some kind of adapter to connect your headphone to your smartphone, which is not at all a good thing. Yeah, with that said, let's talk about the variants. It will have 3 variants. First variant will have 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. Second variant will have 6GB RAM with 64GB internal storage. And the third variant will have 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. So guys, moving to the pricing, it will be priced as per Indian currency 17,000 rupees, 19,000 rupees and 21,000 rupees respectively as per the variants. And in terms of US dollars, it will be priced around $250, $275 and $315. So the pricing is a little high as compared to last year, but as you see that they have given us 660 chip, but there is a one sad part that they have removed the headphone jack, which is a very bad thing. But they given us the 660 processor in this price range, and I think it will gonna rock in Indian market. So let's hope and let's see when this phone will come into Indian market. I will definitely buy that phone, and I will definitely make some reviews and make some awesome videos on that smartphone. So stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post those videos. Yeah, so that's all about the Mi6X or Mi8II. That's all in this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. If you don't like this video, let me know in the comment section below what you don't like about this video or this smartphone. And yeah, please share your thoughts about this smartphone in the comment section below. And yeah, if you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends who want to buy this smartphone and who has an interest in technology videos and tech videos and smartphone videos and any general videos. Please share this video with him. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.